Lit Valentine. How are you all? It's been quite long time, right? I am meeting you. So sorry for that. Sorry for the little delay as I am busy with some of my academics. I am unable to post my videos. But anyway, in the upcoming weeks, I am going to deliver all the videos. So don't worry about that. And today we are going to some interesting topic, right? Okay. So today we are going to focus on an interesting topic. I hope it will be quite interesting, my dear friends. So idioms to improve your vocabulary. Speak of the devil. It means the person you're talking about just appears at that moment. For example, while we are talking about some person and unexpectedly they will appear at that moment. So if you want to state that particular moment or if you want to state that thing, you can use the idiom speak of the devil. To cut corners. It means to do something cheaply or badly. Usually to do something cheaply or badly is a common word, my dear friends. So use the idioms like to cut corners. It will make you stand unique among the common speakers. Word is bite the bullet. While hearing this word, don't think that we have to bite the bullet. It is actually an idiom, my dear friends. So it means decide to do something unpleasant that you avoiding doing. Usually we will say no, some of the things we will not feel secure and we will feel some kind of hesitation to do that. So if you want to state that particular moment, you can use the word bite the bullet. This today's literary topic is university wits, one of the important topic in literature. Today we are going to focus on some of the university wits which I am going to upload regularly. So I am separated everything as a video and as I am separated everything as an episode, so don't miss that. So don't worry about that. Here I am giving all the key points, but all the key points will be illustrated in a detailed manner, so you don't want to get worry about that. So the first thing is the brilliant writers before Shakespeare came very heavily overshadowed. If you take the university wits, for example, is a term coined by the 19th century historian George Sainsbury. They were called because they were went to Oxford or Cambridge, the two major universities of the time, and they wrote complex commercial drama in a rhetorical style, usually using heroic themes and heroic treatments. These writers who came into prominence in the 1580s thus established the real drama. Before they wrote, they were chronicle play, historical plays, morality plays. So all these plays existed before these writers. They were not actually the real plays. Real modern drama came into existence in the hands of the university wits. Who are the people who went to Oxford? It was John Lilly, Thomas Lodge and George Peele. They were called as the Oxford wits. Next, we are going to the people who went to Cambridge. They were called as Cambridge wits. People who went to Cambridge were Thomas Green, Thomas Nash and Christopher Marlowe. There was one man, Thomas Kidd, among the university wits. He did not go to any university, but he wrote in the style of the university, which is why he called as the university wit. Actually, he didn't attend any university, but he had the style of the university wits. Okay, that is why he was one among the university wit. With this, let's move on to the next. Said you now, Thomas Kidd did not went to any university. Here, there are many university wits, like, okay. So, but here today we are going to focus on two major university wits. One is John Lilly. If you take John Lilly, he was a powerful courtier and a secular humanist like all the other university wits. A secular intellectual who was trained in humanistic traditions, and in fact all the university wits were like that. He wrote witty quote allegories and masks. But among the university wits, he is the only one to write comedies. His comedies include Compeps, Endymion, The Women in the Moon, and he is most remembered for his work Euphues, The Anatomy of Wit. In that book, he introduced the style, the prose style of euphemism. So he was a prose stylist. All university wits experimented with prose or wrote brilliant prose, rhetorical prose, because they are learned people. If you take Lilly's Euphues, The Anatomy of Wit, the work is followed by a sequel, Euphues and his England. Euphues is a prose romance interspersed with letters. And what is euphemism? It is a formal, elaborate style with patterns of alliteration and assonance. Sentences are like moral maxims. Sentences are like moral maxims, sententious moral maxims, a style that was imitated by many writers after Lilly. Even Sidney's Apology for Poetry and Arcadia are written in a brilliant style, similar to euphemism. Next, we are going to focus on George Peele. He wrote with a lot of violence and bloodshed, The Arraignment of Paris, The Battle of Alcazar, his important works. But his most memorable work is The Old Wives' Tale, which is a satire on contemporary drama. He also wrote A Farewell to Arms, dedicated to Queen Elizabeth, which is also the title of Ernest Hemingway's novel. And then we have another important writer, Thomas Kidd, which we are going to focus on in the next session. So with this, to the end of the slide, my dear friends. Thank you for your support, and subscribe Lit Valentine for more interesting videos. The videos I am posting here is not only meant for the people who are pursuing English literature, who are apart from the literature can also watch the shorts, which will be so helpful for you, which will make your leisure time very valuable. So keep watching Lit Valentine and keep watching it for the more upcoming interesting videos. With this, take care. Bye bye.